Hey everyone, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to my channel, Deep's Home Life. Hope you are all doing well. So today recipe is Cabbage Thepla. So let's start. Before that, if you are new here, please do subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notification. So let's start. For this cabbage thepla recipe, you will need a finely chopped cabbage, of course. Now into this cabbage, add 1 teaspoon salt and keep aside for 10 minutes. Salt will help to release cabbage water, so you can use that water to make this dough. After 10 minutes, I transfer this cabbage in a big bowl. Now into this cabbage, add flour. You can use purpose flour or wheat flour. Chop coriander, chop green chili, red chili powder, salt to taste. Make sure you add already in the cabbage. Ajwain, turmeric, amchur powder, dhana powder. Mix well everything together nicely. Now add oil and mix again, and now make roti dough. If you need water, add as needed. Cabbage thepla dough is ready. Now roll this thepla using rolling pin. You need extra flour to make this thepla. Now roast on a hot tawa from both sides using oil or ghee. That's it. Cabbage thepla is ready. Enjoy with curd, chutney or sauce. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Till then, take care. Bye. Annyeong.